Hello podcast creators, and welcome back. So today we are going to try to answer the question about how long does your print and cut vinyl and your heat transfer vinyl last? How long does this last? You know, is it worth me buying all these materials and even selling them? You know, how long are they gonna last? We're gonna answer that question today. But before we do, please like, subscribe, hit the bell so that you can get all of the notifications for when new videos come out. Thank you for watching. Now let's get started. Okay, so I don't know if we're going to be able to say the exact time, because I'm sure depending on how you fuse that material to your shirt, it's going to vary some. But what I will tell you is that the packages of most of your heat, your print to cut and your heat vinyl says 50 uses. So 50 washes, and then you can expect to see it start to corrupt and do some things you don't want it to necessarily do. So I'm going to use some of the shirts that I have made either on this channel or around the same time of each other, just so you can kind of see some difference. And I'm also going to use a shirt that's a print and cut shirt that was made for me in February. So let's start with my most famous video, which is the video of me and my face. Do you guys remember that? See how I have worn this shirt a lot, right? And this shirt, it is September the what? It is September the 19th. This shirt was done January 27th, I believe, of 2019. January 27th of 2019. So you got a whole year plus another 9 months and a couple of days. So in a year, 9 months plus a few days, this is what this shirt now looks like. So that is one example. Around the same time, I did this shirt in February of the same year. And as you can see, like, this used to have an orange basketball on it. You can see the Spalding word still on there, but that orange is gone. So here's another shirt where it has faded away. You know, it's well beyond its 50 washes uses. Here is a shirt that was done in February of this 2020, February 2020. My father passed away on that day. Well, my father passed away. So in January, and so this shirt was made for us at the end of January. And as you can see, I've worn it a few times. Probably gonna stop wearing it because it still has its color. So this has been what, 8 months? 8 months, because it was made at the end of January. And this is, see how it's starting to lose some of its flavor there. So just so you can see that. So that is another example. So those are my print and cut examples. I also have some shirts, and honestly, I went back to try to find out when did I actually make these shirts. I can't find it, but it's been a couple of years. So this is just heat transfer vinyl. So I absolutely love this shirt. I've had it at least 2 to 3 years. And the only thing I will say about this shirt is this earring. Is it this side? No, it's this side. I keep having to re-iron this one earring down. I don't know if you can see how that is moving. So every time I want to wear the shirt, I have to iron that back down. It goes back down, but then by the time I wash it again, you know, the vinyl's coming back up. So I have that same issue with this shirt. And again, this one is 2 to 3 years old. And the letters will pop up on me. Like the Y in worthy is now where it pops up. Now the vinyl piece here has stayed down, hasn't given me any problems. This shirt that I have on, and I put a dark on a dark, so I don't know if you would want to do that, but I've had this shirt at least a year and I haven't had any issues with it at all. It's black glitter vinyl. So, see, can you see that? I can't get too close. So anyways, those are some of the different examples. Like I said, the life normally given on the package is 50 washes, and then, you know, you should expect some type of deterioration. And you saw, you know, some shirts that are almost to the 2-year point, and is definitely a lot of deterioration there. So depending on how much you wear that shirt, that can happen sooner, or if you don't wear it as often, it can happen later. So I hope this helps in you trying to figure out what's the best materials for you. You know, if you use sublimation, as you guys, if you've been on my channel at any point in time, you know that I now have a sublimation printer. Haven't done a whole lot with it because I've just been so busy, but that like adheres the ink to the fabric, so it's not sitting on top of it, so that will last the life of the shirt. So just something to think about. But you know, you can get a roll of vinyl for anywhere from $9, depending if it's on sale. I just bought some today. Some heat transfer vinyl for $9, you know, or this ink costs money. So the ink for the sublimation is more expensive. So just something to think about when you're making these kind of decisions. So I am rambling right now, so I am going to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Let me know if you have any other questions. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know below, what is your favorite materials to use to adhere to shirts, so that we can all learn from one another. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all the next time.